is next. Celebrating 30 years has got to be fantastic. Celebrating a return trip back to the Buck has got to feel pretty good within the 12. And I know he is looking forward to feeling you fans' energy, providing him the energy to smash the throttle even harder on the Black Stallion machine. When he gets out here, you better scream, you better let him know you want to see him run hard. Play louder! That's just some serious air right there. Boy, you was so close to clearing the cars. He ain't cleared them all 6. I think he could have had another one on the end and cleared it too. Unbelievable. 540 cubic inches of Ford horsepower. Come on down, Mike. Let's give all of our monster truck drivers a round of applause. Boy, you just smell a hot take yet from running that hard. You're going to have a tough decision there. So now you have to make it to the point where you've got to decide which monster truck wins the freestyle